Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous lesson, we downloaded our first real dataset from Kaggle and understand what each column represents. And today we are going to write our first line of the code using the dataset. In machine learning, every project starts with loading the data. Okay? If you can't load your dataset correctly, you can't clean it and you can't analyze it, you can't visualize it, or you cannot train a model. Okay? So let us learn how professionally load datasets in Python. Okay? Now let us see the in the practical way. Here, see, just don't simply by heart these lines. Okay, just try to understand what I am saying. By doing practicing, definitely you will get you will improve. Okay, so don't be panic. Here I imported a pandas. This line imports the pandas. What import pandas as PD? We use the alias PD because it's shorter and it is standard convention followed by the Python developers. We already know that, right? Here, remember one thing. Here, the next one is read the CSV file. See, to make things simple, keep your Python file and the CSV file in the same folder like this. Python file, Python file, and CSV file in the same folder. Okay, and this is the CSV file, student data CSV. Okay, you can rename it like as your wish. Okay, whatever you want, you can rename by clicking rename. Okay, and next, and here we are using the pandas library read CSV. This function reads a CSV file, student data dot CSV. Okay, and this is the name of our data set. If you're see, this is the name of our data set. Okay, and here, and this is the name of our data set. If your file has different name, write the name instead of that. Okay, here df, here df, here df stands for data frame. I already explained you what is the data frame in the previous classes. Okay, once the CSV file is loaded, all the data is stored inside the data frame. Okay, shift enter, shift enter, wait a second. Okay, here to display the data set, see, to display the data set, you have to print df. You have to write the line print df, and this prints the complete data set. If your data set has hundreds of rows, printing everything is not practically right. That's why pandas provides better function, which we will learn next. Okay, here let us run this. Shift enter. Yeah, this is the entire data set. Okay, now let us move to the next one. Yeah, view the first 5 rows. View the first 5 rows. It means head. Here df dot head. It will display the first 5 rows of the data set. Okay, let us see. Wait a second. Shift enter. Yeah, we got the first 5 rows of the data set. Okay, and the next one is df dot head. What? df dot head. This means this displays the first 10 rows. You can replace 10 with any number. Okay, like 20. Wait a second. 10. Wait a second. Shift enter. Yeah, it will give the 20. Next, I'm going to replace it with some 7. Yeah, 7 and some 12. Shift enter. Yeah, we got 12. Okay, it starts from 0 index. Okay, and the next one is tail. Wait a second. And the next one is tail. Here the tail shows the last 5 rows of the data set. Here the first shows the first here the head shows the first 5 rows of the data set, and the tail shows the last 5 rows of the data set. Okay, okay, here now let us display the output. Shift enter. Yeah, it display the last 5 rows of the data set. Okay. Now the next one is display the last 10 rows. I already told you, you can replace 10 with any number as your wish. Okay. Shift enter. Yeah, we got the 10 rows here. Okay. Here, see, just don't simply by heart this code. Okay. And here the next one is, now you might have a question, why do we use this head and tail? This head and tail. Here the main reason is, imagine your data set has the 1 millions or 2 millions of rows. Printing the entire data set would flood your screen. Definitely, it will flood your screen, right? Instead of that, we inspect just the beginning and the ending. Okay. Not only this, and this is the standard practice followed by the every data scientist. Okay. And I hope you understand. For more videos, do subscribe the channel. Thank you.